Windows are an essential part of any home or building, offering not just a view of the outside world but also vital protection against the elements. Over time, however, windows can develop problems, many of which are common in Slidell, Louisiana, due to the area's humid climate and coastal weather conditions. From foggy windows to drafty frames, these issues can affect your comfort, energy bills, and the overall aesthetic of your home. Fortunately, replacing old, damaged windows can solve many of these problems and provide you with a more energy-efficient, visually appealing living space. Here are some of the most common window problems in Slidell and how window replacement can help. Condensation between window panes. One of the most frequent issues homeowners in Slidell face is condensation between the glass panes of their windows. This typically occurs in double or triple pane windows where the seal has failed. When the seal is compromised, moisture can seep between the panes, causing fogging or water buildup. This can be particularly annoying when it obstructs your view and may even lead to mold growth over time. How replacement fixes it? Replacing the affected window with a new, energy-efficient model can solve this problem. Modern windows are designed with better seals and improved insulating properties, reducing the chances of moisture buildup. A window replacement also ensures that your new window is properly sealed, preventing condensation from reoccurring. Drafty windows. Slidell experiences hot, humid summers and mild winters, which means your home's energy efficiency can be impacted by drafts. Over time, window frames can deteriorate, or the seals may weaken, allowing outside air to seep into your home. This can lead to an uncomfortable indoor environment and higher heating and cooling costs as your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain the desired temperature. How replacement fixes it? When you replace old windows, you can select models with better insulation properties. Low-E glass and other advanced materials help regulate your home's temperature, keeping warm air inside during the winter and hot air outside during the summer. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can reduce your energy bills and create a more comfortable living space year-round. Broken or damaged window frames. The high humidity in Slidell can cause wooden window frames to warp, rot, or swell over time, especially if they are exposed to frequent rain or moisture. This not only affects the functionality of your windows but also detracts from the appearance of your home. Additionally, damaged frames may no longer hold the glass securely, putting your windows at risk of breaking or being difficult to open and close. How replacement fixes it? Replacing damaged frames during a window replacement ensures that the new windows are installed securely and function properly. Modern window frames are made of durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which are resistant to moisture and won't warp or rot like wood. This means less maintenance for you and long-lasting performance. Difficulty opening and closing windows. If your windows are difficult to open or close, it could be due to several factors, including frame damage, worn-out hardware, or accumulated dirt and debris. While regular cleaning and maintenance can help with some issues, if the problem persists, it may be a sign that your windows are too old or damaged to function properly. How replacement fixes it? Replacing old windows ensures that the new units will open and close smoothly. With modern window hardware and smoother operating mechanisms, you'll have no trouble adjusting your windows as needed. Newer windows also feature better weatherproofing, so you can keep your home safe from rain and pests while still allowing for ventilation. Unappealing curb appeal windows play a big role in the aesthetic appeal of your home. Over time, windows can become discolored, cracked, or outdated, making your home look less attractive. If you're planning to sell your house or simply want to improve its appearance, replacing old windows can be a great way to enhance your home's curb appeal. How replacement fixes it. New windows can completely transform the look of your home. Whether you're looking for a sleek, modern design or a more traditional style, window replacement offers a wide variety of options. With updated frames and glass options, your new windows will boost the overall appearance of your home, adding value and charm. Conclusion. In Slidell, window problems are common due to the area's unique weather conditions, but replacing old windows can resolve many of these issues. Whether you're dealing with condensation, drafts, frame damage, or simply want to improve your home's curb appeal, a window replacement is an investment that will pay off in the long run. Not only will you enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient home, but you'll also add value and style to your property. If you're experiencing any of these common window problems, it's worth considering a replacement to ensure your home remains protected and beautiful for years to come.